Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there with my channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare together a simple, a rich, homemade granola. But first of all, I'm gonna tell you some health benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a deal of treating inflammatory conditions like eczema and skin rashes. It also promotes healthy skin because it contains vitamins and minerals, zinc, iron, magnesium, and manganese. The second benefit, your muscles will get much needed protein. If you want to build muscles, everyone will tell you that you need protein, but your body needs also carbohydrates and fat, both of which you can find in oatmeal. The third benefit, you will get boost in antioxidants. And the fourth one, you will be full of energy. So stay with me, we're gonna prepare this delicious homemade granola. Let's do it. We're gonna start our granola. First of all, we need honey. I have here pure honey. You can put maple syrup, sugar if you want, as you like, but it's better to prepare it with honey. I'm gonna warm it and I'm gonna add vanilla liquid, then I will put it on the fire. Now I'm gonna take my oatmeal, the powdered one. I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder. Now I'm gonna add some seeds. I have here sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, perfect, some pumpkin seeds, perfect. Now I have here some nuts, perfect, some almonds, perfect. Now everything. Now I'm gonna add the honey syrup, perfect. Give it a stir like that. Perfect. Yes. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I like this salt here in granola, and keep stir like that. The honey will give it this golden color. Now just take your baking sheet and set everything here. Everything now is ready to send it to oven. I will let it in oven 25 minutes, 130 degrees Celsius. 25 minutes in oven, but sorry, it was 160 degrees, not 130. Sorry. So 160 degrees Celsius. After 25 minutes, here is the result. Crispy, gold color, beautiful. So I will add some goji berries. Perfect. We have here some raisins. So we will mix everything and we are ready. Perfect. Look at this sound, really crispy. So here is the result, crispy granola with gold color. You can keep it like that and you can have it in the morning with milk or with yogurt. Easy that, and you will help yourself. I'm just will add a little bit of sunflower seeds here. Really, this is a rich and energetic granola you can start your day with, and I wish you a good start. Take a lot of care of your body, and see you in another video, another recipe, another healthy recipe, and bye bye.